Okay, my dear students, open your book, page number 48, lesson 6, water, page number 48. In the last video, we have read about water, uses of water. Now we'll do different sources of water. Underline different sources of water. Which is the main source of fresh water on the earth? Rain. Rain is the main source of fresh water on the earth. Rainwater collects in rivers, lakes and ponds. It collects in river, lakes and ponds. Which is the main source of fresh water on the earth? Rain. Okay, my dear students. Some rainwater goes underground. Rainwater, it goes underground. We get this water through wells, tube wells and hand pumps. We get water from taps in our homes. In our homes, we get water from taps. And sometimes we get water through wells, tube wells and hand pump. Okay, tell me two underground sources of water. That is wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Very good. Okay, two underground sources of water: wells, tube wells and hand pumps. But in our houses we get water from taps. Okay, my dear students, storage of water. Okay, storage of water. What is the meaning of storage of water? Storage means to store the things in a special place, at the special place. Okay, water is very important. Water may be stored in different containers at home like buckets, drums, bottle, jugs and tanks. Okay, we should store the water in the drums, bottle, jugs and tanks. Do you know dripping water from a tap can fill 1 or 2 buckets in one night? Okay, we should not open the taps. Okay, we should close the tap tightly. Okay, dripping water from a tap can fill 1 or 2 buckets in one night. That's why we should not waste the water. We can store the water in the buckets, drums, bottle, jugs and buckets, tanks. Revise for 2 minutes. Okay, my dear students, during summer, there is an extreme shortage of water in most parts of the country. Thus, there is a need to store water for the hot summer months. That's why your parents say, na, my dear children, don't waste the water, because in summers there is an extreme shortage of water in some areas. They don't get the water for drinking, for bathing. Okay, then don't waste the water. Thus, there is a need to store water for the hot summer months. How can we save water, students? Underline. We should not waste water. We should use water carefully. Okay, we should use water carefully. Turn off the tap while you brush your teeth. When you brush your teeth, turn off the tap. Okay, you will do? Surely you will do. Very good. Turn off the tap while you brush your teeth. Next, taking a shower waste water. Always use a bucket to take bath. We should not use the shower because it is made the wastage of the water. Always use a bucket to take bath. What we should use? We should use bucket to take bath. Very nice. Okay, you always use only bucket now. Don't use the showers. Very nice. Don't wash the car with a pipe. Okay, it's a mere wastage of water, my dear children. If you want to wash the car, you can wash your car with the bucket, with the mug. Okay, don't use the pipe. Underline. Collect the water that you use to wash your vegetables and reuse it to water the garden. Where you wash the vegetables with the water, then you can reuse it to water the garden. Okay, you can use that water. You can reuse it to water the garden. Okay, my dear students, turn off the tap while you brush your teeth. Don't use the shower. Use bucket. Don't wash the car with the help of the pipe. No. Use mug. Use bottle. And when you wash your vegetables, reuse that water. You can water that plant to the plants. You can reuse it to water the garden. Revise for 2 minutes. Okay, my dear children, we'll do activity time. Tick the activity in which water is not wasted. Cross. Put the cross in the activity in which the child is wasting water. First, see, put the cross here. Now it's a tick. She's using the pipe. Very nice. Now cross. She has opened the tap while brushing the teeth. No, turn off the tap while brushing the teeth. Now see, he using the mug to water the plants. Very nice. Put tick, cross, tick, cross, tick. Okay, my dear children, revise for 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to tell you some few important points about water. You can learn these lines. We can't live without water. Animals and plants also need water. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing and cleaning. Rain is the main source of fresh water on the earth. We get water from river, lakes and ponds. We should not waste water. Water is very precious, my dear children. Don't waste it, okay? Revise for 5 minutes.